Uno member if you subscribe.
Tanesha, I pray. There, man. Nice shoulder, I'm going to look where I'm going to eat. How that? Acting little daddy. People are who this. The great blood clot red boom. Yeah. I never know we that link up. I want to go on your socks through their setup. Pussy clot now. I'm out.
Yes, YouTube. Big up all the viewers them. Big up all the subscribers. And if you haven't subscribed to JamaicaXtra, just go ahead and subscribe. Matter of fact, hit the like button. Yes, man. So Kartel dropped some new music. I really should say him preview some new music on him Instagram. And the man preview the music and the place go crazy right now. Tell us the truth. The music bad still. Some of the lyrics them, may have to look on it and say backside. Yeah, man, the world boss is back at it. For true. Listen this now. Him say, prison did hot, but outer road the heat did worse. Me have my own opinion and me no need yours. Wow. How we ashamed this of people? You not tell me now? Him say, the internet a cost me about who me for feature. You understand? And him right there, so him drop name Tanesha. What you tell me what you think? You tell me say Vybz Kartel, him very innovative with him lyrics them man, and me I tell you, him always keep you guessing, and these are the type of lyrics that sometimes I like to hear. You understand? When I just talk to myself like my mother and people, I say, I want to that youth. But I do some mistake when anytime I hear them music, I like new music where, you know, can make you just laugh to yourself or make you just do a little chuckle and say backside. What the youth talk about, you know, it does some different thing. And to the way the music sound, people be have to make to hear it again. Listen here. Yes, people. So yeah, tell me say the time that him drop that preview, right? It take basically him drop it on him Instagram timeline and him kind of, you know, put out a little snippet. And this little snippet in the space of about I would say about 5 hours, right? The little snippet there where it said just watch on your screen right there. That little snippet is about just a few seconds of the song. Would you believe so that snippet went over 1.2 million views in 5 hours? Yes, man. I have to say backside. It really make you have to think to like, boy, Kartel is he really the king of the dancehall? You know? And furthermore, did some of these artists, one of the things that them did still want Kartel lock up behind bars so that way them can get, you know, like more earplay, more exposure out there. Because to tell the truth, people, it seems like since Vybz Kartel come around, everything had those Vybz Kartel when it comes to music. I mean, know especially in Jamaica, a lot of music right now is revolving around Vybz Kartel. So me just want to know what you think about that. When you hear the snippet, when you think the snippet did hot, or you think say it was overrated. Me personally think say the snippet is tough. You know, the music when push out sound kinda newish and it still sound fresh for vibes, you know what I mean? Like you don't know, you know, and my artist that so me have to big him up. And I don't know, me a part of the Gaza port where I come from if you never know. But apart from that, the music bad and me just not take back no chat. So wanna make me know what you think. Wanna leave in the comments down in the comment section below, and like me say, wanna subscribe to JamaicaXtra, and you don't know, we always have a new video them coming out. Yeah, man, and big up all the viewers them and all the subscribers. Listen here.